All right, this is crazy, man. It's Saturday here, and we get thrown another curveball. We never know what's coming at us. So.
Damn. Oh my God.
Yeah. She sprung a leak. All right, we got a customer dropping off a bike. Let's get this thing unloaded. Sprung a leak. A little bit.
All things prone, got it going on.
That's where she came from. That's not the cause of this, but wow, I never seen that much oil.
Well, I mean, I was going to ask y'all to do an oil change on it.
Oh, yeah, you already did the oil change. We're just going to add oil in the drain plug.
Luckily for you, we don't have to charge you that labor for the pulling the plug out.
You might need an oil pan. Worst case, well, hopefully.
Yeah. But
at the minimum, you need an oil pan. That'd be nice if that's all it is.
So what I did, I bought fairings.
Okay.
So y'all don't, I need to take these off. Now you gotta try to strip these.
Plug in there already. No wonder it hit. What the fuck is that?
Drip. Don't make me have to.
Nah. You're gonna be making a phone call when you see that homemade whatever the hell drain plug is up in there. No wonder you hit that shit. You ever see some dumb shit like that before? It's like an inch-long drain plug with a push thing and sitting out an inch below the bike. Of course you're gonna rip that thing out. Ooh. Better tell them to send you up an oil pan. You just bought this from them?
Yeah.
All things chrome.
I just got the title in like yesterday.
I've been making a phone call. They can send you up an oil pan. That ain't no factory drain plug. And it sits out below the bike. So what the hell's the first thing you're gonna hit? Your drain plug.
Oh my God, that's all oil. The fucked up thing is you can't even tell. It looks like a shadow.
Yeah.
That's oil.
I gotta get this off this ramp. I use this ramp every day. The last thing I want is a bike that will have no issues be affected by an oil leak. Never know what we're gonna get around here tricked out, boy.
No, you don't.
From one day to the next. Alright, this is crazy, man. It's Saturday here, and we get thrown another curveball. We never know what's coming at us. So we get one of our military customers just picked up a bike from shot down Tennessee, had it brought up here, and they had an aftermarket drain plug sitting so low out of the bike, it bottomed out and cracked the oil pan. So, the customer hasn't even ridden his bike yet. He just got it delivered up. He brought it up here to do an Army paint job theme on the bike. Now it looks like we're going to be doing an oil pan, possibly some tires because they're oil soaked and worn. But he's on the phone with the company he bought it from, seeing if they're going to take care of him. But it's funny. Instead of going to the owner or salesperson, they got him waiting to talk to one of the mechanics. So we'll find out what happens here shortly. Got it.